Hello everyone, I am Nisha Basumatary. I am currently a student of Bodofa UN Super 50 preparing for JEE Mains and Advanced 2023. Bodofa UN Super 50 is a flagship project of Government of BTR to provide free residential coaching of JEE Mains and Advanced to get into the prestigious IITs and NITs. Here, we are being provided with all the necessary books and materials required for the preparation. Here, we are being provided with rigorous, free residential coaching of 11 months, where we have faculties from the various IITs and NITs who are well experienced. The faculties are available 24/7 around the campus to monitor us. Apart from the excellent faculty members, we are being provided with decent food, clothing, and with fully digital and air-conditioned classrooms. So, to all my fellow JEE aspirants who are interested can grab the opportunity and enroll yourself. The Bodofa UN Super 50 mission is an initiative by the government of BTR under the guidance of Bodofa.